more better. So last one. After that we will working with our knees. Take it 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now we will trying under our knees, pushing our legs, so like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that our hand going under our feet, and we will stretching our leg more on ourselves. Okay, let's try with me. And when we will do that, take your another hand leg and right hand going in this side and catch back leg. So if you stretching every day and good, you in future can do this speed. So going down, take your breath, slowly breathe out and slide down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay guys, if you want to do this exercise, keeping in your balance, stay with me and I will show you movements which help you to do that. So let's try find your balance. Okay, first exercise. What we will do, we'll get sit in this position and take little warm up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, I will take my right leg, my hand, and moving in the side stretching. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Let's change leg, because in this exercise we need 2 legs for mom. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we will try and keep the balance. So first what you will do, try take in these movements, take your core and feel the balance. When you feeling good in this exercise, you can help your hands and pushing your legs. But you feel in this exercise balance, we can try slowly opening and try. In first time it will be hard. You can use fall on the back. So take the legs together and relax and breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, thank you so much for your watching, for your likes, comments, and I very appreciate it that you support my channel. So I wait you on my new videos. So bye bye.